Here's a template-free way to cut angles using your cutting tools. You need a ruler that has 60-degree angle markings, and most of the rulers that you're using for quilting will have this marking in two directions. It will be helpful for you if you will take a piece of removable tape and place it just in line with one of the 60-degree angle markings on your ruler, and then you can use that for placement. To cut the shapes for the bottom of the basket, place the 60-degree angle marking in line with the top edge of your fabric. The ruler is not placed from corner to corner, but instead we come in about 3/4 of an inch. The exact measurement isn't important because it's been oversized so that you can trim your blocks down after you sew them together. So get your ruler placed again with the 60-degree perfectly in line with the top edge of your fabric, and then use your rotary cutter to cut the shape in half. If you will layer two pieces together, wrong sides together, then you will automatically have the mirror images which you need for the bottom of the basket. To cut the basket pieces, you're going to use that same 60-degree angle marking. You need to first set up your cutting board by placing, let me move this so you can see, place a piece of removable tape on your cutting board, and the placement of this is that the bottom edge of the tape is exactly 4.5 inches from the bottom line on your board. So measure from the bottom line up 4.5 inches, and that's where the edge of your tape is placed. Position your piece, and this piece was cut 8.5 inches wide by 7 inches long. So position the piece so that the bottom edge is on the bottom edge of your board. Put that 60-degree angle marking on the top edge of the basket piece, and you're going to slide the ruler over, keeping the 60-degree angle marking on the top edge, and as soon as the ruler touches the bottom edge of that piece of tape right here, that's where you stop and you make the cut. So you'll cut one side first, and then you'll flip your fabric over and do the same thing on the other side. So you're going to end up with a basket piece that looks like this with both of the angles cut off. Now, as a checkpoint, you can measure this piece that's come off, and it should be 2 5/8 wide and 4.5 long. And now your basket piece is ready to be sewn onto the background piece.